how will you distinguish among the following pairs? So this is a pair n-propyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. So these are the two different alcohols. So what are the methods to identify? So in this we can see this is your n-propyl alcohol, and this n-propyl alcohol is a primary alcohol, and while the isopropyl alcohol is the secondary alcohol. So secondary alcohol, it is CH3CHOH. So this will give you iodoform test, means this can react with the I2 plus NaOH, and they will give you yellow crystalline iodoform CHI3. So CHI3 is the yellow proper crystalline iodoform. Primary alcohol will not give. In this way we can distinguish. How you can distinguish n-butyl, secondary butyl and tertiary butyl alcohols? There are three different alcohols, so we can distinguish. So n-butyl is the primary alcohol, secondary butyl is the secondary alcohol, and tertiary butyl is tertiary alcohol. And these three can be identified using Lucas reagent, which is nothing but the anhydrous zinc chloride plus HCl. And Lucas reagent will react, tertiary alcohol will react very fastly, so they will give the cloudiness, while the secondary alcohol will give after 5 minutes. So this will give you after 5 minutes, and primary alcohols will not react even at the room temperature immediately. So this will take time. So this is the fast reaction with tertiary alcohol. So this will give more fast than slow, and this is not at all. Ethanol and chloroform. How we can distinguish ethanol and chloroform? So this can be identified using CH3L3 will give you isocyanide test, means it won't give the iodoform, while the C2H5OH will give you iodoform. We can write C2H5OH like CH3CHOH. When the carbon having OH or ketonic methyl ketone, this will give the iodoform. CH3 cannot give the iodoform. In this way we can distinguish between these two different compounds. How will you identify between ethanol and acetone? So ethanol acetone can be identified by using this test. So this is ethanol when react with the dilute potassium dichromate in acidic medium. So this ethanol is converted into the acetal, which will give you a pungent smell, while the acetones, so we can use with the sodium nitroprusside in presence of basic solution. This will give you a red color substance. In both cases we cannot use the iodoform test. Both will give the iodoform test because they contain again CH3CO group in either cases. So iodoform test is not a solution. So this is the solution for identifying these two different tests. One is the sodium nitroprusside and second is the dilute potassium dichromate. How will you identify between ethanol and propanol? So ethanol will give you iodoform, but propanol will not give the iodoform. So this is the basic reaction, basic compounds. Because this contains 2 carbon, so it will undergo iodoform, it will not give. So in this way we can distinguish between these two different compounds. How will you identify glycerol and sugar solution? So in case of glycerol, when react with the potassium bisulfite, it will give you acrolein. So acrolein, the order is pungent, and with sugar, potassium bisulfite will not react. Again, there is another test that the glycerol can react with the borax, which is pink in color, and phenolphthalein, which is also pink in color, under cold condition. So under cold condition, the color of the borax and phenolphthalein will disappear. But again, if you heat that solution, the color will reappear. So glycerol will give this color, while the sugar will not give this taste. Sugar will not give this taste. How will you identify between allyl alcohol and n-propyl alcohol? So for this again you can use the Lucas reagent. So allyl alcohol is again, this is a primary alcohol. So though it is primary alcohol, but due to this allylic carbon, it will react with the Lucas reagent in 1 minute. While this propanol It is a primary alcohol, but it will not react with the room temperature. So reaction will not occur with the propanol, while the reaction will occur in 1 minute. It will take some time, but it will react with the faster than the propanol. Though they are, I am repeating, though they are primary alcohol, but this is a distinguished to identify between the allyl alcohol and propyl alcohol. This will take 1 minute time. This will take more than one, or even they don't react with the room temperature immediately.